Okay, now we can start making the sauce for our cioppino. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the pan that we had cooked our potatoes in, and we're going to bring this back over to the oven. Then we're going to go and we're just going to use a thick onion ring. And because it's a red sauce, I'm going to use this red onion. I'm going to peel off the outer layer. I'm going to dice it. Again, this is going to simmer in sauce, so you don't have to get them into teeny tiny little pieces. Just go over them one more time to make sure there are no giant pieces of onion. And we're going to go and cut our garlic. So we have a little brown ends here. I'm going to trim those off first, and then we're going to discard them. We're going to go ahead and chop our garlic just like we did our onions.